As you start doing the gelatin trick, you might notice a subtle shift in how your body feels, like the gentle hum of a well-tuned engine. It's as if your digestive system is getting a quiet reboot, with gelatin trick helping to soothe and calm the inner workings of your gut. This daily ritual can have a profound impact on how you feel from the inside out, with the gelatin trick working its way into your daily routine like a warm, comforting hug. My friend, the gelatin trick is all about simplicity, just some unflavored gelatin, water, and a bit of patience. Researchers say that gelatin can help support the health of your gut lining, which in turn can have a ripple effect on your overall well-being. Imagine starting your day with a sense of lightness, no heavy bloating or discomfort, all thanks to the gelatin trick. As you make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you might find that it becomes a small but significant act of self-care, a way to show your body some love and kindness. To dive deeper into the gelatin trick and learn how to make it a part of your daily life, check out the link in the description below for a detailed walkthrough. For a quick peek at how others are using the gelatin trick to support their wellness, take a look at the pinned comment below. It's a great place to start your own journey with the gelatin trick.